Hey guys, welcome to Progressive Recipes, still on our cake event in Calabar. This is another training we tried out, creating this beautiful effect on the cake. Let's start. Assemble your cake with buttercream. First, place little buttercream on your board and you place all your cake one after the other as you put buttercream in the middle of each. So start trimming or carving or anything you call yours. Feel free to go ahead, trim or carve your cake before you start crumb coating. But I noticed our tutor wasn't able to crumb coat much, but at the point the cake was messy and she has to crumb coat it before she continues. So watch and enjoy from this video. Right here, when you're creating this beautiful design, you will notice something that if you're done creating the first coating, the correction, you're going to be doing the second one. So you will use your ribbons or this particular ribbon, you can get it from a tailoring shop. Plex in any style you want it for a better effect. Pop into your freezer before you place the ribbons. So take your time. Due to this cake was decorated on an event, we did everything straight away. The effect wasn't much on the cake because it was not chilled. So if you want a beautiful effect, feel free to pop it on your freezer before you do the next decoration. So continue. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. Welcome, welcome, welcome. To my old subscribers, thanks for coming back again. If you're new, this is the first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my newest video. Subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, thanks again for tuning in today to watch this beautiful video. Like I said before, for a very beautiful effect of this design, pop your cake in the fridge or freezer at least for 10 to 15 minutes before you continue the next cutting for a very smooth and good and beautiful effect. But though this was a training, a cake event, everything was done without freezer. So watch till the end. When you're done, feel free to use your buttercream comb, any design of your choice, and design it the way you want before taking out the ropes. Yes. Please like this video. Yes, click on the thumbs up, like this video, comment, and ginger me to to upload more videos. So feel free to like this video, share to your friends and family that loves cake. Immediately you're done, the next thing is to start peeling off the ribbons. Wow, look at that effect. Look at that. Look at that effect. So beautiful. So just think of when you pop in the freezer, the design you're gonna get. This is what we want to create, though it didn't come out purely beautiful because it wasn't pop in the freezer. So feel free to do yours before you create this effect, but it showed something beautiful. Thanks a million for watching this video, and please don't forget to like this video. You can see the beautiful effect. If you're close, you will be seeing from the lines, you'll be seeing our pink color. Thanks for watching. Bye.